Introducing the Premier Smart Stair Stepper with handlebars and resistance bands from Sunny, your compact solution for a full-body workout. Designed with an adjustable handlebar for maximum support and stability. Target a range of leg muscles with every movement to enhance strength and endurance. The attachable resistance bands turn this into a full-body workout machine, engaging your arms, shoulders, and back for a total fitness experience. With ultra-quiet hydraulic resistance, you can enjoy a smooth, silent workout. Customize your intensity by adjusting the step height to challenge yourself as you progress. Stay on track with the digital monitor that displays your steps, time, calories burned, and total step count. Connect your stepper to the SunnyFit app. Track your metrics in real time and access thousands of workout videos led by top professionals. The Premier Smart Stair Stepper with handlebars and resistance bands from Sunny Health and Fitness. Achieving your fitness goals has never been easier with the Power Stepper from Sunny Health and Fitness. Crafted with a robust and sturdy V-shaped frame, this powerhouse can support users up to an impressive 330 pounds, giving you the confidence to push your limits. Transform your routine with the 2-in-1 design, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Strengthen your legs, back, core, and arms using the attachable resistance bands. Connect the Power Stepper to the SunnyFit app. Track your progress, monitor metrics in real time, and access expert stepper workouts led by professional trainers. Customize your workout experience with adjustable height settings. Find your perfect stride for a comfortable stepping motion or challenge yourself with a longer stride for maximum calorie burn. Elevate every step, embrace the burn, and achieve your fitness goals like never before with the Power Stepper with resistance bands from Sunny Health and Fitness.